Can we create or destroy an atom? Well, according to Dalton's atomic theory, an atom can neither be created nor destroyed. But later, we discovered two chemical reactions like nuclear fission reaction and nuclear fusion reaction. In these two chemical reactions, we can create new atoms. In nuclear fission reaction, bigger atoms are split up into smaller atoms. For example, in nuclear fission reaction, like one uranium atom is broken down into barium-141 and krypton-92 plus huge amount of energy. Nuclear fission reaction is used in various sectors like in nuclear plants to generate electricity. Thus, we can create atoms like barium-141 and krypton-92 of lighter elements by breaking larger nuclei. Secondly, in nuclear fusion reaction, smaller nuclei or smaller atoms come together to form larger nuclei or one big atom. For example, in nuclear fusion reaction, two hydrogen nuclei or atoms are converted to one helium nuclei or one helium atom plus huge amount of energy is produced. Nuclear fusion reaction takes place in big stars like the Sun. This is the second method of creating new atoms from smaller atoms. Now coming to the second part. Can we destroy an atom? The answer is no. We cannot destroy any atom. Even if an organism dies, still the atoms cannot be destroyed and ate. But atoms can be converted into energy according to Einstein's famous equation E is equal to mc squared. For example, in the fusion reaction, some parts of the atoms are converted to form big atom like helium, and the remaining parts of the atoms are converted to energy. Thus, we say that mass or atom is converted into energy in nuclear fusion reaction, but mass or atom cannot be destroyed. Therefore, remember that we can create atoms in nuclear fission reaction or in nuclear fusion reaction. But we cannot destroy an atom except it can be converted to energy.